The Giulio Mazzalupi Operational Excellence Award 2021 goes to Alexander Irchin and Oezkan Dimir for their efficient transportation solution to reduce CO2 emissions and save money.
We identified a new transport mode, if you like. We shipped pumps from Cologne to China. We thought about having, beside ocean, another alternative to ship the goods faster. Because ocean was almost 60 days. We used to fly over a lot at that time.
As everybody knows, air is producing a lot of CO2 emissions.
2019, we had 20 ocean containers moved to rail containers. Our first pilot up and running.
There were some external known bottlenecks. The different rail track sizes.
The wideness of the track is different. Tracks in Europe are completely different to Russia and to China again.
And also important thing is that we cross several country borders and also several restrictions nowadays, for example, because every country have their own regulations.
New transport mode is not easy to implement. It was really a team approach. Everybody across the globe was helping us. For instance, the distribution center, of course, to understand how to pack the things. There was the customer center to understand new processes of ordering things and planning things. With rail, we had the opportunity to put a tracker on, and then we could see green dots on the map. I think really that the rail track has a future.
You are 50% faster and producing less CO2 emissions.
We're moving now our goods faster, cheaper, and we have a better environmental impact for our world.
Yeah, it's fantastic. The whole company is talking about this project. Yeah.
I'm really proud and I'm excited that this new way of transporting went out so well. Thanks everybody who was involved in this project. I'm really proud of everybody.